Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of waking up feeling low on energy, dragging yourself through the day, and relying on caffeine to stay awake, this video is for you. Because today, I'm going to show you a simple, science-backed daily workout routine that will boost your energy, improve your focus, and make you feel more alive every single day. You don't need a gym, fancy equipment, or hours of training. All you need is 10 to 15 minutes and a bit of consistency. So grab your water bottle, get ready to move, and let's dive into it. Before we jump into the workout, let's quickly talk about why most people feel tired all the time. It's not always because you're lazy. In fact, the real reasons might surprise you. Number 1, you're sitting too much. Modern life has made us more sedentary than ever before. Sitting for long hours slows down blood flow, weakens muscles, and reduces oxygen delivery, all of which make your body and brain feel sluggish. Number 2, your body isn't getting enough oxygen circulation. Without physical movement, your lungs and heart don't get the stimulation they need to deliver fresh oxygen and nutrients. That's like trying to run a car without enough fuel. And number 3, stress and poor sleep. When you're constantly stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that drains your energy levels over time. But here's the good news. You can reverse all of this with just one short daily workout routine. Let's break it down. This is a 5-move full-body workout that will wake up your body, improve circulation, and fire up your metabolism. You can do it anywhere, at home, in your living room, even in a park. No weights required, just your body weight and a little motivation. Move. 1. Jumping jacks, 45 seconds. We start simple, with jumping jacks. This classic move increases heart rate, warms up your entire body, and improves coordination. As you jump, breathe deeply, in through the nose, out through the mouth. This helps oxygen flow through your system, waking up your brain and muscles. After 45 seconds, take a 15-second rest. Move 2, bodyweight squats, 45 seconds. Next up, bodyweight squats. Feet shoulder-width apart, chest up, and push your hips back as if you're sitting in a chair. Squats engage your largest muscles, your glutes, quads, and hamstrings, which are your body's energy powerhouses. When these muscles are activated, your body releases endorphins and increases blood circulation. That's an instant natural energy boost, no coffee needed. Finish your 45 seconds, rest for 15. Move 3, push-ups, 30 seconds, or knee push-ups. Now let's hit the upper body with push-ups. Don't worry if you can't do full push-ups. Knee push-ups are great too. Push-ups strengthen your chest, shoulders, and triceps, while also activating your core. Keep your back straight, lower slowly, and breathe out as you push up. This move improves posture and keeps your body strong for daily tasks. 30 seconds here, then rest for 15. Move 4, mountain climbers, 45 seconds. Now we pick up the pace with mountain climbers. This move fires up your core, increases heart rate, and floods your body with oxygen-rich blood. It's like cardio and abs training rolled into one. Move your knees fast, keep your hips low, and stay light on your toes. You'll feel your heart pumping. That's your body waking up. Rest 15 seconds after this one. Move 5, plank hold, 30 seconds. Finally, finish strong with a plank hold. Keep your elbows under your shoulders, squeeze your core, and keep your body in a straight line. The plank engages your deep abdominal muscles, essential for posture, breathing, and balance. Hold steady for 30 seconds. If it burns, that's good. That's your body getting stronger. You can repeat this 2 or 3 times depending on your fitness level. Even one round will leave you feeling more awake, focused, and energized. So, how does this short workout actually give you energy? Let's break down the science in simple terms. When you move your body, your heart rate increases, pumping more oxygen to your muscles and brain. This stimulates the release of endorphins and dopamine, the feel-good chemicals that improve your mood and focus. Regular physical movement also improves your mitochondria function. Those are the energy factories inside your cells. The more you move, the more efficiently your body produces energy. And here's something amazing. Even short workouts like this can reduce fatigue by up to 65%. and improve energy levels by over 20%, according to multiple studies from the University of Georgia and Harvard Health. So when people say, "I'm too tired to work out," the truth is, they're tired because they don't work out. Motion creates energy. Now you might be wondering, when's the best time to do this? The answer depends on your schedule, but here are some tips. Morning. Doing this right after you wake up can instantly charge your system and set a positive tone for the day. Afternoon slump. If you feel sleepy after lunch, 10 minutes of this will reset your energy better than a coffee break. Evening. It's also a great stress reliever after work, helping you release tension and sleep better. The key is consistency. Even 10 minutes a day done regularly will completely change how your body feels. Of course, exercise is just one part of the equation. If you want to maximize your energy levels, combine this workout with these 5 simple lifestyle tips. 1. Stay hydrated. Dehydration is one of the biggest hidden causes of fatigue. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water a day, more if you sweat a lot. 2. Get natural sunlight. Your body uses sunlight to produce vitamin D and regulate your circadian rhythm. Try to get 10 to 20 minutes of morning sunlight daily. It boosts mood and alertness. 3. Eat real food. Skip the processed junk. Eat foods rich in protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats, like eggs, oats, chicken, nuts, and vegetables. Your body needs quality fuel for quality energy. 4. Move every hour. If you work at a desk, set a reminder to stand, stretch, or walk every 60 minutes. Even small movements keep your blood circulating and prevent stiffness. 5. Sleep smart. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Your body loves rhythm. Combine these habits with the workout, and you'll notice a massive change, not just in your energy, but in your mood, focus, and confidence too. Here's the final truth. Energy isn't something you find, it's something you create. Every time you move your body, you're sending a message to your brain saying, "I'm alive, I'm strong, and I'm ready." So don't wait for motivation. Start small. Start today. Just show up, even for 5 minutes. Your body will thank you later. All right, team, that's your daily energy workout. If you do this routine consistently for 2 to 3 weeks, you'll notice yourself waking up more refreshed, thinking more clearly, and powering through your day with ease. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another energy or fitness tip. And let me know in the comments. When do you feel most low on energy? Morning? Afternoon? I'd love to help you fix that. Until next time, stay active, stay positive, and keep moving forward. See you in the next video.